Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button right here to open the controls menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the icon with the percentages on it. This is the battery icon. Tap on this icon, and if you want to enable the power saving mode, under the battery percentages you will see the button called low power mode. Tap on this button, scroll down and tap either on turn on or turn on for. If you tap on turn on, the power saving mode will turn on and it will stay on until you turn it off. And if you tap on turn on for, you can select one of the durations, for example on for 1 day, and what it does is basically it turns on the power saving mode rather, and it will turn off automatically after 1 day. And you can select 1 day, 2 days or 3 days. Okay, I'm gonna tap on low power mode, tap on turn on, and now the power saving mode is enabled. The graph will change to the yellow color, the button will also change to yellow color rather, and the icon will change to the yellow color. And this icon at the top will appear, the yellow circle, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you go to the watch face, you will see this icon right here at the top also. And if you want to disable the power saving mode, press the side button to open the control center, tap on the battery icon, then tap on low power mode on icon to disable it, like this. And then you can press the come button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.